Hi there, how's it going? This is Ash from Fetch Profits. What you're looking at on the screen is a single WordPress install for Fetch Profits, which is my brand. There are times when you might have to use multiple websites and you might have to design multiple websites or manage multiple WordPress websites, making changes to each of those websites, managing each of those websites, doing updates and scheduled updates for WordPress for each of those websites. Maybe you have multiple websites for your business or for your brand, or you might be managing several business websites for other clients. Now, in that case, it'll be great to have a single dashboard for managing all of those updates, themes, changes, marketing related changes, plugins, and clients across your WordPress websites. And for that, there is a tool absolutely for free. It's called Dash, and you can get yourself a copy of Divi at fetchprofit.com/Divi, and you get access to all of these tools that I'm talking about, or all of these features that I'm talking about. Divi Dash enables you to manage multiple clients, save time on repeated tasks, manage unlimited websites for free. You can collaborate with your team. You can manage your client's info, and instead of having to log into each WordPress website on its own, you can actually do it from a single dashboard. You can also automate several parts of WordPress management. You can also layer your other services such as WordPress maintenance, WordPress management, content addition to any of the websites for your clients, or doing things like I do, such as blogging and social media and things of that sort. There are several changes that you will have to keep making to your websites or to your client websites as time goes by, depending on the business case and use case. And so for that, you will need something like Divi Dash, which is absolutely free for you to use if you use Divi. There are two ways to actually enable Divi Dash on your site. One is to download a plugin. This is where your members area is if you purchased your Divi license, and this is where you'll also have Divi Dash. Add new plugins, choose a file, and just upload that .zip file from my downloads folder. That should get the job done. The other method is to use WordPress credentials, and this is fairly easy as well. You need to enter your website URL, WordPress username, and your WordPress password, and click on add website. You also have the option of auto installing and activating these three products, which are a must have if you ask me. The Divi theme, which is obviously central and at core to what you do with Divi, and then Bloom email opt-in, which helps you generate email leads or email subscribers from your website itself by helping you create opt-in forms and fly-ins and inline call to actions for your blogs and so on. And Monarch social following plugin is everything to do with social media links and social media follow buttons that you can have on your website. So these three are must have. Activate those and add a website as well if it is a new client build, that is. Now once you activate the plugin, it'll ask you to log into your Elegant Themes account and automatically connect. You can just click to copy this and go to use connection key here. So because I'm using the plugin method, I'm just going to click on connect new site, add connection key here, enter my URL here, and click on add website. I don't have to auto install Divi theme, Bloom, and Monarch because it's already installed on my WordPress website. So I'm just gonna uncheck these and click on add website. It'll process and it'll start showing the first website on your Divi dashboard. This is how it looks like. So if you click on view website dashboard, your website is here. So what are all the themes that are active or inactive, the plugins that are active, auto updates if required, you can enable that. Any site updates and all of the history that you have related to that website will show up here. You also have ways to do optimization for your site. You have a system status report that shows up, and you have site users that will show up. You can add more users and add notes as well. This is for a single site, and there are lots of things that you could do, which I'm not going to get into at the moment. This is just an overview for Divi Dash. You can add several sites like this. I'm going to add a few more client sites as we speak. All of the websites will be visible right here from the websites tab, and you can easily manage all of those websites, maintain WordPress related core updates and plugin updates and so on, and do all of that from a central place. So I hope that helps. If you have any questions with respect to Divi Dash or with respect to marketing, please do let me know. If you like the video, please do like it and share it. If you're new to the channel, please do subscribe to the channel. This is Ash from Fetch Profits signing out.